Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to text someone on Discord without adding them as a friend. Discord allows you to message users without sending a friend request, but only in certain situations. First, make sure you share a mutual server with the person you want to message. Open that server and find the user in the member list. Click on the user, set its name, and select Message. This opens a direct message window where you can start chatting immediately. You can do this without adding them as a friend. Keep in mind that some users disable direct messages from server members for privacy reasons. If messaging is disabled, you won't be able to send them a message. This can change only if they update their settings or add you as a friend. Server owners can also control whether members are allowed to send direct messages. We've learned how to message someone on Discord without adding them, as long as you share a server. We also covered how to open direct messages from the member list and why privacy settings may block messages. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelfStack tutorial videos.